Hello guys, good day. Look at them, the bird and the dog searching the food for his empty stomach. Look at them. Look at them, the dog. It's there, it's there, it's there, it's there in the middle of the pond. What's going on? Oh, Jesus Christ. The dog and the bird, it's there. Okay. I will go there and to make them throw away, not eating the milkfish. Okay, see you there. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching my little videos today and support my little channel about the milkfish pond. Thank you so much and God bless. Be safe, take care. Look at them guys, they are not gone. Oh, they are going to the middle of the fish pond.